I have the keys to a 2022 718 Boxster 25 years. I'll be driving it and giving you my impressions.
Be sure to log into your YouTube account, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video.
The original Porsche Boxster appeared in dealer showrooms in late 1996 for the 1997 model year, and it was the beginning of a turnaround for the automaker. The Boxster Concept's 1993 world premiere at the Detroit Auto Show tantalized the motoring press with attractive roadster styling that was inspired by the 550 Spider and 718 RS60. Like its inspirations, the Concept was mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, and it had silver metallic paint and a red interior that recalled racing Porsches of the 1950s. The best part, the production Boxster lost little to the Concept by the time it hit production. The Boxster 25 years we have here is an homage to the original 1997 Boxster and the Concept that inspired it, taking many design cues from the Concept. The Boxster 25 years edition is still a very new car, and from what we can find on Bring a Trailer and Cars and Bids, not many have been sold. After one was bid to $111,500 on Cars and Bids in December 2021, it sold post-auction off-platform. Another was bid to $79,500 on Cars and Bids in July 2023, but it didn't sell. On Bring a Trailer in October 2023, one was bid to $97,500, but it didn't sell, while another sold on that platform for $93,333 that same month. Let's call a pre-owned Boxster 25 years in nice condition a roughly $100,000 car. Before options, a new Boxster 25's MSRP was $100,100. The Boxster 25 debut car was GT Silver Metallic with a red interior. This one was painted jet black metallic and has a black leather interior. The Boxster 25 was based on the 718 Boxster GTS 4.0, meaning it has a 4-liter naturally aspirated flat 6 that makes 394 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque. Our test car is fitted with the 6-speed manual. Check the video description for the full list of options, but the key ones are PASM Sport Suspension, Power Steering Plus, ventilated seats, and the premium package. So we are in the 718 Boxster 25 years edition. And what that basically means is that it's a 718 Boxster GTS 4.0 with a bunch of things that celebrate 25 years of the Porsche Boxster, such as this is number 677 out of 1,250 built. Under the Boxster 25 logo, you have a color called Neodyme on the bespoke, unique to this car wheels, Neodyme accents on the air intakes and exhausts, as well as in the front fascia, and Neodyme on the rear, on the top. There, it's embossed into the top. It also has, in this manual transmission car, the factory short shifter as well. But yeah, basically it's a 718 Boxster GTS 4.0, but it is more special, it's more rare, and it was built to celebrate 25 years of the Boxster. Oof, very nice. Very nice, easy clutch pedal. Love that about most Porsches. When the clutch is nice and easy, it's usually a nice, easy, pleasant car to drive. Now, having not driven a Boxster GTS 4.0 in a while with the manual, I'm not recalling how much shorter the shifter is, or how much short shifting the shifter is compared to the normal one. But it's very nice. Love the sound. I just got out of a 2015 base Cayman, but with the factory sport exhaust. I think I can already tell I like how that engine sounds at part throttle at low revs, a little more than this stock GTS 4.0. Now let's put on the sport exhaust, as it has that. There we go. Yeah, when you have the sport exhaust on, just like the other car, that's when it really sounds very nice, like a flat 6 should. So this car also has PASM, I believe Sport PASM in this case, with the mode dial. So we have the exhaust on, but we're in regular normal mode. Now we put it over into sport, and the throttle should liven up a little bit. And I believe the suspension firms up as well. Yeah, I feel like the throttle is touchier. Seemed like it wanted to rev a little bit more quickly. Yeah, very nice, easy shifter. Steering, very smooth. No bumps that you don't want, yet you can still feel what's going on the road. Now with sport mode on, I believe, which sport mode is on, let's see if it downshifts for me. Yep, perfect downshift, look at that. So that's the rev matching feature that this car has. Yeah, this is also a very approachable car, easy to drive. You can tell though, compared to the 275 horsepower 991 Cayman that I drove, compared to this 394 horsepower Boxster GTS 4.0 or Boxster 25 years, you got more power, you got to be more judicious with the throttle. You can't just go full throttle and think it's going to stick the whole time if you're not careful. Now we'll put it into Sport Plus mode, which quickens the throttle even more. Keeps the rev matching on, I believe. Let's see. Yep, perfect downshift. Brakes are nice, not touchy. They have that perfect tip in. Yeah, this is a quick car. Quicker point A to point B than the last car I drove. Very nice, easy suspension. You know exactly what the front end is doing, which is nice because this is a this car, a 718, they handle so sharply, and one of the fun parts of driving them is being able to load up the front end just right as you're turning in. Now it's really weird going into a corner, getting ready to heel toe, and the car rev matches for you. Now, since we're going slow, I'm gonna put the top down for the rest of the drive. Because we're in a Boxster, why not? And I'll put the windows down, why not? Oh yeah, you can hear the exhaust a lot more. This guy is gonna pull out here, which is fine, because then we'll just give it a little bit of throttle. See, I just downshifted into first, it blipped the throttle for me, no jerks, it's just very easy car to drive. Yeah, this is a quick car. Wow. It's all the power you need, more power than you need, really. You have enough to get in trouble here. Yeah, and just like in a lot of convertibles I've driven lately, compared to their coupe counterparts, the intake noise isn't quite as in your head as in the Cayman, or with the top up in this car. But you put the top down and you get all that exhaust noise. Now we'll do one more pull here. Yeah, what a car. What a car. I think I was saying a lot of the same things last time I drove a 718 Boxster S GTS 4.0. What I'm thinking right here compared to that drive, even though it was earlier this year, back in March, and now it's October, is what a car. It just, the torque allows you to drive it pretty much any way you want. I'm in third gear, yet you can get on the throttle and have passing power. It's very, very nice. Yeah, no need to heel toe, just on the brakes and don't allow your muscle reflexes to stab that gas pedal. Yeah, super nice. Now let's take it out of sport mode just once to see what it's like to heel toe into second gear in this car. Yeah, fairly easy. If I had a couple more tries, I would have gotten even a little bit better. So yeah, really approachable car, easy to drive, very friendly. And if you like the 718 Boxster GTS 4.0, you're gonna like this car. As long as you like the wheels and the neodyme accents that this car has. But yeah, it's basically no different from behind the wheel as a Boxster 718 Boxster GTS 4.0, but it's got the style that that car does not have. So don't think you're missing anything if you can't quite step up to a Boxster 25. Now, on to car show. Let's start this off with, you might have noticed this car is not, I believe, GT Silver with neodyme accents is what the press releases and all the initial reports and first drives had this car as wearing. Yeah, GT Silver over the neodyme. This car is jet black metallic. So the person who first ordered this car, he loves black cars. This was just going to be a natural sort of order for him. And jet black metallic is what it is. Now, when you see this color, it looks black in most light, but if it's really bright out and you're looking at it, looking at the car straight on, that metallic just pops right through, and it's a really beautiful black. Especially if you're into black colored cars, jet black metallic is pretty stunning. It does not look a ton different from your regular 718 Boxster GTS 4.0 if you don't know what you're looking for. Some people might actually think that these wheels, they are aftermarket and painted, you know, in whatever bronzish color that's, you know, in nowadays. But if you know what you're looking at, you know that this is a very special car, style Porsche, with Grant Larson came in and made this thing what it is. Very nice, very rare. I'm going to call this an 8.75 for car show, because you're not going to see very many of them, and they're pretty impressive cars if you know what you're looking for. For daily driving, I'm going to call this an 8. You can use this every day if you wanted to. The only thing being is that it's a very rare car. This might not be the Boxster you buy just to put into the daily grind. This might be a Boxster you buy because it's a special rare car. I think I'm going to give this 8.25. Definitely a car that you want to show up in, and it would be good at a road trip. You don't have quite as much room as maybe in a Cayman, but this is the kind of car that if you're on a summer journey or spring or fall, whatever, road tripping to see family, this would be an awesome car to show up in and spend time at your destination. So I'll give this one a 9. For fun factor, man, fun car, 8.75 for fun factor. That engine, 4 liters, really nice car to drive. And I think the Boxster GTS 4.0 I gave, the score last time was 8.25 or 8.5. But I'm going to give 8.75 to this one because it's right now today on this drive, I'm really enjoying myself. What a car. The suspension, PASM can set it up for different stiffnesses, whether on a back road or if you're on the highway. Probably gets pretty good gas mileage, but not great. And as I said, really, really fun on a back road, really easy to get in and just drive. And even though you have quite a bit of horsepower at nearly 400, which is enough to get in trouble, you always know what the car is doing. It's super confident, braking, and pointing the nose into a turn. And you get a lot of feel on the gas coming out of a turn. So I don't think there are going to be any surprises unless you're really driving the car hard and doing foolish things. So 8.75 for fun factor on this. And that's my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked watching it. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our content and so you don't miss an upload. And until next time.